just a few hours to go. Lucknow's Shubhanshu set to create history, heading to space after 40 years of Indian wait. Shubhanshu Shukla, a group captain in the Indian Air Force, is the pilot for NASA's AXIOM-4 mission. He will be flying the SpaceX spacecraft Dragon. Having previously flown aircraft like AN-32, Jaguar, MiG-21, Hawk, and Su-30, this will be his first time piloting a spacecraft. After a long wait, Shubhanshu is finally set to embark on his journey to space. If all goes as planned, the launch will take place at 12:01 p.m. IST on Wednesday from NASA's Kennedy Space Center in Florida. 1.4 billion Indians are watching closely as he prepares to make history. And it truly is historic. Shubhanshu becomes the first Indian to go to space in 40 years since Rakesh Sharma. The 4-member crew will be led by Mission Commander Peggy Whitson, a former NASA astronaut and the director of human spaceflight at Axiom Space. Joining them are Poland's Slavoj Uznanski and Hungary's Tibor Kapu. The crew will spend 14 days aboard the International Space Station ISS, conducting over 60 scientific experiments. The Dragon spacecraft will be launched using a Falcon 9 rocket from Launch Complex 39A at Kennedy Space Center. The team is expected to dock with the ISS on Thursday morning. For this Axiom 4 mission, India's space agency ISRO had initially shortlisted 2 Gaganyaan astronaut candidates, Shubhanshu Shukla and Prashant Balakrishnan Nair. Lucknow-born 39-year-old Shubhanshu was selected as the primary astronaut, with Prashant serving as backup. Both began intensive training for this mission in August last year. Originally, the mission was scheduled for May 29, 2025, but it faced multiple delays due to bad weather and technical glitches. After rescheduling about 7 times, the mission is finally ready to launch on Wednesday. As the pilot of the Axiom 4 mission, Shubhanshu will be responsible for operating the Dragon spacecraft. He has undergone extensive training with SpaceX and Axiom Space Inc. to prepare for this challenging role. After 40 years, an Indian is once again ready to make history in space.